Welcome to Star Biker. Today we're taking a quick look at the 2026 Honda CG150, a motorcycle that continues to define simplicity, reliability, and everyday practicality for riders who value dependability above all else. Timeless design. The 2026 Honda CG150 sticks to its classic, no-nonsense styling. Clean body lines, a comfortable upright stance, and subtle modern touches give it a familiar yet refreshed look that suits daily commuting and rural riding alike. Engine and performance. Powered by a durable 150 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the CG150 is tuned for smooth power delivery and long-term reliability. It offers predictable acceleration, easy maintenance, and strong low-end torque, making it ideal for city traffic and rough roads. Ride comfort and handling. With a soft suspension setup and well-balanced chassis, the 2026 CG150 delivers a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. The upright seating position reduces fatigue, making it a dependable choice for long working days. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Fuel efficiency remains one of the CG150's biggest strengths. Low running costs, excellent mileage, and readily available spare parts make it a smart option for riders who need an economical and trustworthy motorcycle. Safety and features. The 2026 model focuses on essentials, offering reliable braking, durable components, and a simple instrument cluster that's easy to read and maintain. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda CG150 continues to be a symbol of reliability and value. It's not about flashy tech, it's about getting the job done every single day, and that's exactly where the CG150 shines.